Hello guys, hoping you're doing well and keeping safe. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you for coming back again to watch our videos. If you're new here, my name is Grace and I'm so happy that you stopped by. Kindly consider subscribing for further and future videos. We're so grateful you stopped by. Thank you guys so much for all your support. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate each and every one of you. Even if you're just a viewer and not haven't subscribed yet, we also appreciate you as well. Today's video is just all about breakfast, and without wasting so much time, let's get into the video. So the first thing I did, guys, was to prepare our fresh homemade buns, and for this is what I did. I did 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, and a pinch of salt. I also added 1 egg, which was at room temperature, and then 1 cup of lukewarm milk to mix. Once the dough is nicely formed, use some cooking oil to just apply on the top, then cover and let it sit for at least 1 hour. You can do more than 1 hour, it's still okay. The aim is to have the dough rise at double its size. After 1 hour of waiting, guys, our dough was double the size. So the next thing I did was just use some flour to roll it out a little bit, just a little bit, and then portion it out into smaller pieces, which were going to be our buns. Now you want to make sure that all of them are the same size, guys. Don't bother if you see mine were not looking all equal. I was just in a rush. It was a morning time, so please bear with me for that. Once you're done shaping your buns, now let them sit for another 15 to 20 minutes for them to rise once again. And then once they've doubled in size, I went back in with my egg wash. Egg wash is just a mixture of 1 egg and like 2 tablespoons of lukewarm milk. So I mixed that and then I just used it to apply on top of the buns, and then sprinkled some sesame seeds. Once this is done, I'm going to bake this for at least 30 minutes until they're browned. Our buns are ready, guys, and the next thing I did for the first day was I served them as beef burgers. I prepared some beef burgers and then just layered them out with some tomatoes, onions, and cucumbers. And of course you can add any sauce of choice. I used tomato, ketchup, and some chili sauce. You can add mayonnaise, whatever you prefer. It's according to your preference. There is no sin, guys, in experimenting. On the second day, guys, I really lost the footage, but here is what we did. I did an avocado toast sort of, because instead of the burger we had the previous day, I chose to go with the eggs, and I did a sunny side egg and then topped with avocado, and it was a nice way to enjoy on the second day. I really love my runny eggs, and this was a very delicious option. The third day of our buns was more of stretching what was remaining. So here is a quick way of what I prepared. I did some peanut butter spread and then topped it with avocado slices and some cucumber slices. I then had only one, guys, only one beef burger remaining from the first day. So I just sliced it into very thin slices and then topped that up and sprinkled some sesame seeds as well. This was really delicious. This was really delicious. I think it was my hubby's favorite. And that will be it for today's video, guys. If you made it this far, big up to you, a big thumbs up to you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting our content. Thank you for watching, and I would really love to hear on the comments which one of these 3 options was your favorite, or which one you would be trying out. Is it number 1, 2, or 3? Let me know on the comments. Also, kindly remember to give this video a big like, press the thumbs up button down below, and consider subscribing as well. Don't miss out on future content. Until next time, guys, God bless you, keep safe, and see you. Bye bye.